Hello and welcome for today's session. So we're going to solve these four problems today. So to see how it goes. So we have the first one, x minus 1 over 3 cubed into bracket cubed is equal to square root 64. So this one, remember to do away with this cube or cube. So you have to find the cube root. So you are going to find the cube root of this of both sides. So square root 64 is equal to 8, by the way. So now we're going to look for the cube root of this of both side. So cube root of the both side. So if you do the cube root is the same as multiplying by 1 over 3. Okay. So for this part here, you get x minus 1 over 3. So the cube root and cube goes is equal to the cube root of 8 is 2. So 2 times 2 times 2. So you get 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. So the cube root of 8 is 2. So now this goes x minus 1 cross multiply to get is equal to 6. So x is equal to 7. So if you take this one on this side, so it becomes plus 6 plus 1. So we have the another one here. This one here, 5 raised by x plus 1 plus 5 raised by x minus 1 is equal to 130. So this one, so we are going to use this rule of indices. A raised power n plus m is equal to this one can be written because this is a positive, so we introduce multiplication. It is power n dot a is power m. Okay, so when it is a minus here, so we introduce the division. Okay, so you have 5 raised power x dot 5 raised power 1 is equal to, I mean plus sorry, this is plus 5 this power x dot, okay, you can still say dot. So when 5 is this power 1 negative 1, this means that it is a reciprocal. So this one can be written as 1 over 5. So but now we want to have the common numbers here, so we can say this power negative 1 to mean it is a reciprocal of 5. So it's equal to 130. So factor out the common, so which is 5 raised power x into bracket. If you divide this one by this, you get this one goes, so it means by 5 plus, so this one goes, this one the 5x goes, the 5 raised power x goes, it's in it mean with 5 raised power negative 1 is equal to 130. Okay, so this is the same as 5. So 5 raised power x into bracket 5 plus 1 over 5. So remember, I've said 5 raised power 1 is the same as its reciprocal. So its reciprocal is 1 over 5. So is equal to 130. Then you have solve this one. Get 5 raised power x into bracket 5 1 over 5. So this is 5 1 over 5. So this 1 over 5 make it as in improper fraction. So you get to 25 plus 126 over 5. So you multiply both sides by, so this one can be written as 26 over 5. Okay, so you multiply by both sides by its reciprocal. So you multiply by 5 over 26 times 5 over 26. So this one goes, so you remain with 5 raised power x is equal to, by 26 1 by 26 it must be a number, and you multiply by 6 you get 0 5 by 5, yeah, exactly. So by 5, so yeah, 10, yeah, exactly 5. So this is 5. Okay, so you get 5 times 5, or 5 times 5, which is can be written as 5 squared. Okay, which is still 25. So since the bases are the same, so you get the exponentials. X is equal to 2. Okay, yes, so I think that is that. For the one for this one here, 1 over x is equal to 4 raised power x. So we want to find a way that we will do away with this power here. So how do you do it? So to do away with this power on the equal sign side, so you multiply by its reciprocal. So its reciprocal is 1 over x. So and you do for both sides. Okay. So if you do that, you get 1 over x into bracket 1 over x is equal to 4. Okay. So this one can be written as 2 squared. 2 squared. Okay. So now you can equate this one over x into bracket this power 1 over x is equal to 2 squared. So if you look keenly, you get that the base and the power are the same. So you can equate either. So you get 1 over x is equal to 2. Okay. So if you do the reciprocal or the cross multiply, so you get 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 over 2 if you divide both by 2. Okay. So your x is 1 over 2. Okay. Yes, for that matter. Then you have this one whereby 2 raised power x is equal to 3 raised power x. So this one, you can use a method of try and error and see. So you start your 0. So but remember, you're going to use a row of indices that says any number raised power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Any number raised power 0 is equal to 1. So we're going to look away. We'll do this. So to work out this one, here, so you're going to say 2 raised power x is equal to, so you divide both sides by 3 over 3 raised power x. So you get so you divide both sides by 3 raised power x. So you divide both sides here by 3 raised power x. So you get this part here can be written as 2 raised power 3 into bracket raised power x, since the powers are same, so is equal to 1. Okay. Yes. So and like I've said, so using this row of indices that says a raised power 0 is equal to 1. So and you want us to have the same base. So since our base here is 2 over 3. Okay. So how do you do it? So you just take 2 over 3 into bracket 0, which is 1. So any number raised power 0, any number raised power 0 is equal to 1. So and since we have the base here, so you can just equate that, or just apply this row here. So you just take this base and then you raise power 0 to get 1. So this one here, you can substitute it with 2 over 3 is power 0. So 2 over 3 to bracket raised power x is equal to 2 over 3 to bracket raised power 0. So since the bases are the same, what do? So you just equate the exponential. So the exponential are x and 0. So x is equal to 0. So if you decide to check this one, so you get 2 raised power x, or x0 is equal to 1. So what about the other side? 3 raised power x, so 0 is equal to 1. So 2 raised power x is equal to 3 raised power x. So it is only this way. So any number raised power 0 is 1. So any number raised power 0 is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. So it is satisfied. So x is equal to 0. So thank you. You continue saying math is mathing.